Hello, welcome to 30-Day Workouts. If you are new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and leave a comment below. This channel is for people looking for exercise you can easily accomplish in 30 days. They'll help you build tone and get in shape. Are you ready for the challenge? If so, here's some motivation before we get started.
Success, number one, starts with you. Real success is you say one thing, and if you do what you say you're going to do, you're going to be great. Because very few people do what they say they're going to do. You can't do first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. You got to play to the fourth quarter and play it all the way out. Every gig I get, I kill it. I grinded for this moment. I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. I ain't no overnight success. Every single day when I wake up, every minute of the day, every hour of the day, I have an opportunity. I got an opportunity of a lifetime. And you think I'm about to waste it? Every single inch I can get, I'm going to take it. Everybody wants something. You don't get out of life what you want. You get out of life who you are. Push yourself. Your mama needs you. Your daddy needs you. Your children need you. Get up.
Now that you're all pumped up, let's jump into what you should do this month. Follow the calendar exactly. Not sure how to do any of these exercises? Well, we'll show you how.
Crunch elbow towards knee, alternated. Starting position. Muscle contraction. Position 2. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles and bone. Breathing.
Lie down on your back and bend your non-effective leg so your foot is flat on the surface for support at about 90 degrees. Keep your affected knee straight, tighten the muscles on the front of your thigh, and slowly raise your leg up off the bed, working towards a height that is in line with the thigh on your non-affected leg. You must be able to maintain a completely straight knee throughout this exercise. Hold for 5 seconds and then slowly lower your leg back to the surface and relax. This exercise will help to strengthen your hip and thigh muscles, and it will help you regain range of motion in your knee. Perform this exercise on each leg.
Plank exercise. Great one for core and lower back strength, as well as working the upper body. So this is the full plank. So making sure you breathe freely when you're planking. Do not hold your breath. So hold it as long as you can, guys. So there's an alternate one to this, which can be done on the knees. So just place my knees on the floor. Again, making sure, keep my core nice and tight, keep the back flat, keep it in line with my hips. Again, I'm still working hard. I'm trying to keep my core really tight. As I get used to it, I can just drop the knees away, but making sure I keep the hips up, keep it in line with the back. So obviously breathe freely with it, hold as long as you can. Once you're finished, just get yourself up nice and slowly and have a rest. Remember, no excuses, just results.
Push-ups, hands at chest width. Starting position. Muscle contraction. End of exercise. Muscles involved. Muscles involved. Breathing.
Okay, this week's exercise challenge is the bridge. The bridge is a great exercise to work on your glutes and your lower abdominals and for core stability. So Taryn's going to show us the bridge. Let's show us that first basic bridge. This is the first progression with a wide base of support, using your hands to stabilize, and go ahead and roll up into a bridge, Taryn. Good. Notice that she's keeping her abdominals in and she's squeezing her glutes as she does this. I usually like to hold this for time. What we do with this bridge is we usually hold for time, so anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds. So the second progression of the bridge is to take away the arm stability, the arm support. So we hold your arms up in the air as we go ahead and roll into a bridge, using your abdominals and your glutes. Hold that exercise for 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, the third progression of the bridge is a single leg bridge. This is a more advanced move. Again, we'll have Taryn with her arms up in the air to decrease the arm support. We'll have her go ahead and come up into a two-legged bridge, and then she wants to extend one leg straight out, making sure to keep this leg in line with the other leg. And as you can see, this is a lot more challenging. Try to hold this exercise for 15 to 30 seconds. The fourth progression of the bridge exercise is using a Swiss ball. Now we've created more instability on the upper body as we go into a bridge, and we're going to go into the bridge and then do a single leg. So go ahead and extend your leg out. Come on now. And work to hold that stable. As you can see, this is very difficult. If you can do this, try to hold this for 15 to 30 seconds.
Lunges. Stand up with your feet spread to shoulder width. Take a step forward, keeping your torso as straight as possible. Bend the forward knee to form a slightly narrow angle or a right angle. Pushing with the front leg, return to the starting position. Warning: the breadth of the step forward varies the weight distribution on the various muscle groups. You can do this exercise in two ways. 1. Taking a short step strongly stimulates the quadriceps and reduces the load on the gluteus. 2. Taking a long step strongly stimulates the gluteus maximus and the ischiacroal muscles, which consequently lengthens the rectus femoris of the rear leg. Common mistakes. 1. Resting the knee of the rear leg on the ground. 2. Curving the back after taking the step forward. 3. Standing with the legs too far apart, which causes instability and balance problems during the exercise.
If you liked the video, make sure to punch that like button and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the new 30-day workout challenges. We'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah.